If you're looking to change the main photo, which is the cover photo on your booking.com listing, it's pretty simple once you know where to go. Try and do this kind of things from your computer because their phone app is not suited for hosting related setups like this. And once you're logged into booking.com Extranet and you have your property dashboard open, you will just go into property icon here in the top and then choose photos option. That will open up your photo gallery, and in here you will see this is my preferred main photo at the moment. You will see this preferred icon, and if you want to change this to something else, let's say if I want to change this, when you hover your mouse on the photo, you will see this option pops up. Click on this options, and then the second option you will see as set preferred main photo. Click on that and it will refresh, and you can see this is now my main photo. Another better option is you will see this smart ordering feature. This is a new feature released by booking.com. Effectively, what it does is when you turn this on, booking.com automatically decides whichever is the best photo they think, according to the data, brings most amount of clicks to your listing, and they keep rotating and they will keep experimenting with it. I believe this is a really good option. Rather than going with your own instinct, you should try and have this option on, and then you don't have to worry about which is going to be your main photo. Booking.com takes care of it all for you. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.